Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to use an aroma inhaler. So this is something that's really handy to have. Um, it's just a quick, easy, discreet way to use essential oils. So I like for people to know how to make these because they're so easy, but it's something that you can keep on your person. You can tuck it in your purse, you can tuck it in your pocket. Anytime you need oils and you don't have time or a place to be able to use a diffuser, that's what this is for. Now, one thing I like to keep in mind is I call it an aroma inhaler. Don't think of it like the puff inhaler for lung issues and things like that. It's just another vehicle to get essential oils in and around you. So the one I have, this one, there are two kinds. This one's kind of a fancier one that you can get, and they all function about the same way. So you open up the inside. This one has a glass container in some prettier colors, and they will each have a little cotton wick inside, and that's where you put the essential oil. So this is a glass kind, and then there's also a plastic kind that will look like that. So I'm going to show you how to make that one. Now, when you use it, super easy. You just place it by your nose. I like to close off one side. Inhale, try to hold it a second, and then close off the other side. Inhale, nice deep breath. And so it's a quick, easy way. Remember, our sense of smell is the fastest way into the limbic system of the brain, the seat of emotions in our brain. So it's a quick mood changer kind of thing. That's why smell is so important. So I'm going to switch over so you can see my table. And I'm going to teach you how to make one. So we're going to use the little plastic kind. And it'll have the case, a cover to it, a little cap, and they'll come with a cotton wick. There are two different sizes of wicks. It just, you don't ask for a size, it's just whatever comes with the aroma inhalers that you get. And I like to use a little glass dish to be able to put the oils in. And I'm going to teach you a pick-me-up blend. So that's going to use peppermint and wild orange. Peppermint, awesome all by itself, but it's kind of next level if you combine it, start playing around with different mixes. So I like peppermint and wild orange for this. And on a wick this size, I would say about 10 drops is what you're looking for. The one that's just a little bit longer, you could probably go up to 15 drops. Now for me, I know that peppermint is can be a little bit on the stronger side. So I'm going to go with fewer drops of peppermint. So let's see, if I do 10 drops, I'm going to do about 3 or 4 drops of peppermint. And you just drop it right on the wick. And you'll see in a second, though, why I like using the dish. Okay, so there's our peppermint. And then about 5, 6 drops of orange. So you want to saturate the wick. And yeah, you can see a little bit there. See how there's some oil still there? So I take tweezers. If you're making it for yourself, you could certainly use your fingers. If you're making it for somebody else, please use tweezers or something else sanitary to grab it with. And I just swoosh it around to mop up any extra to make sure you get as much as you can into that wick. And then you can tell, oh, there's the problem. I grabbed 2 caps and not an inside. There we go. There we go. So here's the inside. If you can see, it's a little bright. It's got holes in it. There, you can see the holes. And then the cap is closed end. So find the one that has the holes in it, drop the wick inside there, and then press the cap on it. And you want it to be snug, so you might have to push hard the first time. There you go. And then So the whole side, that's where you would place by your nose to smell. And then when you're all done, you just take the cap, screw that back on, cover it up, and you can tuck it away in your purse or in your pocket. So that's a blend I really like for mid-afternoon. You get that little slump. You know, you have a full day ahead of you, a lot going on. So peppermint wild orange, 3 or 4 drops, and 6 or 7 drops of the orange. Another one I have here, I won't make it, but I'll show you the combo that I like. This would be the opposite. This would be for nighttime or when you're feeling really overwhelmed. And this would be Serenity. This is the restful blend. So that alone by itself is fantastic. But if you want to combine it, you could do Serenity and frankincense. And I would say probably the shorter end and frankincense, maybe 3 or 4 drops there and more of the drops of the Serenity. So you can really play along with that and pick the number of drops that you personally like. So there is a lot of flexibility to making aroma inhalers. You can make it exactly like you like. And then when you go to use it, let me stop sharing here. And when you go to use it, you'll just unscrew the cap and then sniff and then switch sides. Okay, these would last, they can last as long as they smell okay, I'll put it that way. I would give them maybe 2-3 months. When essential oils are exposed to oxygen, exposed to the air, they can oxidize a little bit. So you don't want them to go, manky on down the road. So, maybe jot a note after a couple months, just replace the wick. You can take it out and then put in a fresh wick with fresh oils and then start all over again. So give that a try. It's super easy.